Charges for having child pornography that was apparently created with artificial intelligence. Police arrested him last week, and we're learning more about what led to his arrest. Our Tanisha Shaw has more. And Tanisha, we understand authorities received an important tip here.
Yes, that's right, Eric. Google sent a tip to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children after finding child pornography on a Google Drive. The tip led to the arrest of 30-year-old Daniel Briggs. In real big trouble. That's what police say Daniel Briggs said after being arrested. Waunakee police say they found 6 pictures with child pornography on Briggs' Google Drive. A criminal complaint say they were made with artificial intelligence.
We've added a statute like this to make sure that the law actually captures not just images that were made of actual children, but also images of children that were generated by artificial intelligence.
John Gross is a law professor at UW. He says Briggs is charged because of a newer Wisconsin law that bans making or having virtual child pornography. That statute passed in 2024.
Addendum to existing laws to make sure that this type of content is also criminalized, and there's not a defense to it by arguing that this wasn't a real person, it was artificially generated.
If convicted, those charged could face up to 25 years per count.
The maximum for each of those would be 15 years in jail. And then there's post-release supervision. But if a judge wanted to, they could sentence him consecutively for each image. So we're really talking about an enormous amount of potential jail time. Also, each one of these counts has a mandatory minimum of 3 years.
Briggs is facing 6 counts, 1 for each image. The complaint says during his arrest, he told officers that all of the pictures were AI. He goes on to say, quote, "I've actually been wondering what's going to happen with that."
The key really is that the statute has to be a realistic depiction. And something that approximates the image of a child, even if it's artificially generated.
Next up, we know that Briggs will be back in court next